All right, here we're going to complete the following statements. We have that information so far. The measurement of BGC, the angle is 43. The measurement of angle DGE is 56. So first of all, let's look at FGA. Where's FGA? F, G, and A. All right, so what is that? Well, that looks like it is congruent to this piece. That piece comes from 48 plus 56 plus one more thing equals 180 because this forms a linear pair. If you do that, this becomes 81. 81. So this is 81 degrees. Then we take a look at the next one, BGF. So BGF, this whole thing is supplementary to what? Well, this forms a linear pair. So it is FGE. FGE would be its supplementary because that would make it a straight line. Then next we see CGD. So CGD is this piece here. And we already know that that measurement of CGD is 81 because we got it from vertical angles. Then the measurement of AGF, let's see, AGF, we have that. That's also 81 degrees. Then angle EGC, where's EGC? EGC, which is this piece, that's going to be supplementary to this whole line. So that's with BGC, that angle. Next, measurement of AGB. Let's take a look. A, I'll use pink for here. A is right here. G is right here. And then B is right here. What is that piece? Well, this is the vertical angles to that, so that's also going to be 56 because of vertical angles. AGC would be this whole piece. So that's 56 plus 48. That is 56 plus 43 is 99. So this also has to be 99. There you go. AGC is these two added together. 56 plus 43 is 99. Okay, there you go.